We start our 12th chapter, Unit 12, Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic Acids. What do you mean by aldehydes? You know, aldehydes are organic compound which consist of CHO functional group or CHO. General formula is RCHO. That is, the functional group is CHO functional group. Then in the case of ketone, the functional group is C double bond O, CO group. That is, general formula RCOR. The compound consists of C double bond O group. Then carboxylic acid. The general formula RCOOH. That is, the compound consists of COOH group. That organic compound is known as carboxylic acid. So, aldehyde RCHO, ketone RCOR, carboxylic acid RCOOH. These organic compounds have wide range of applications in our day-to-day life. For example, vanillin, salicylaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde, etc. have very pleasant fragrances. So they are used in many food products and pharmaceuticals to add flavors. So we studied about aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. First, we studied about the nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Nomenclature means naming. In the case of aldehydes, the parent alkane is taken, alkane. The E is replaced by al. Then we get the name of aldehyde. Alkane, the parent alkane is taken, count down the number of carbon atom, then alkane. Then this E is replaced by al, then we get the name of that organic compound. In the case of ketones, the parent alkane is taken, alkane, E is replaced by ONE, then we get corresponding ketone. E is replaced by ONE. Then in the case of carboxylic acid, the parent alkane is taken, then this E is replaced by oic acid. Then we get corresponding name of the carboxylic acid. So in the case of aldehydes, E is replaced by al. Then in the case of ketone, E is replaced by ONE. Then in the case of carboxylic acid, E is replaced by oic acid. This is in the case of aldehyde. This is in the case of ketones. This is in the case of carboxylic acid. Okay. Examples. First one is HCHO. You know, CHO means aldehyde functional group. Count down the number of carbon atom. Here only one carbon atom is present. So the parent is methane. Parent is methane. Now this E is replaced by al. This is an aldehyde. So the name of the compound is methanol. Okay. Methanol. One carbon atom, aldehyde. So methanol. Its common name is formaldehyde. Then the second one is CH3CHO. This is also aldehydic functional group. So count down the number of carbon atom. 2 carbon atoms. So this is ethane. Ethane. E is replaced by al. Then we get ethanol. E is replaced by al. Then we get ethanol. Common name is acetaldehyde. Then the third one is CH3COCH3. CH3COCH3 means the functional group is CO. This is a ketone. So you know the name E is replaced by the parent alkane name E is replaced by ONE. So count down the number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom. The parent is propane. Propane. E is replaced by ONE. It is a ketone. So we get propanone. E is replaced by ONE. So we get propanone. Common name is acetone. Next one, CH3CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here this is a ketone. CO functional group ketone. In this ketone, How many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms. So this is pentane. In this pentane, in which carbon atom the CO group is present? The second carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the second carbon atom, the functional group ketone is present. So normally pentane E is replaced by ONE, but here the second carbon atom CO group is present. Second, 1, 2. Second carbon atom CO group is present. So this is pentane. 2, 1. Common name is methyl normal propyl ketone. Methyl normal propyl, straight chain, normal propyl ketone. Next one, HCOOH. You know, COOH functional group is carboxylic acid group. Here, count down the number of carbon atom, only one carbon atom, and then the methane, parent is methane. E is replaced, in this E is replaced by oic acid. It is a carboxylic acid, so E is replaced by oic acid. So here E is replaced and oic acid is added, so we get methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Common name formic acid. Common name is formic acid. Then the next one, CH3COOH. This is how many carbon atoms? 1, 2. 2 carbon atom ethane. Ethane E is replaced by oic acid. Then we get ethanoic acid. Common name acetic acid. Then the next one, CH3CH2COOH. That means total number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms with oic acid. Propanoic acid. Common name propionic acid. Propionic acid is a common name. Propane is replaced by oic acid. Propanoic acid. Then the next one, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom butane with oic acid. Butanoic acid, common name butyric acid. The next one, COOH, COOH. That is, how many carbon atom? 2 carbon atoms. So ethane, dioic acid. 2 carboxylic functional group is present. So ethane, dioic acid. Common name oxalic acid. Then the next one, COH, CH2, COH. This is 1, 2, 3 carbon atom propane dioic acid, because dioic acid means 2 carboxylic functional group is present. So propane dioic acid, common name malonic acid. The next one, COH, CH2, CH2, COH. Now how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. So butane dioic acid. Common name succinic acid. Next one, COH, CH2, 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 COH. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom pentane with the dioic acid. Pentane dioic acid, or common name glutaric acid. The next one, COH, CH2, 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 COH. How many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom hexane dioic acid, or common name adipic acid. Next one, benzene ring with the CHO group. This is aldehyde functional group, benzaldehyde. This is benzoic acid. Benzene with the COH group, benzoic acid. Next we discuss some board exam questions from this nomenclature area. First one, CH3, CH, CH3, CO, CH, CH3, CH3. This is a ketone. C double bond of functional group. So this is a ketone. First you should count the longest continuous carbon atom including the functional group. The functional group getting the least number. Then here numbering, then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, second carbon atom on methyl group is there, fourth carbon atom on methyl group is there. So we can write 2, 4 dimethyl pentane. Pentane In the third carbon atom, CO group is present. So pentane 3, 1. Because it is a ketone, so the name ends with ONE. Pentane 3, 1. So 2, 4 dimethyl pentane 3, 1. Next one, CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH, CHO. Then first you should number the carbon atom including the functional group getting the least number. Then here numbering 1, 2 because it is a functional group CHO. So this carbon least number starting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is pentene because the second carbon atom a double bond is there. So this is pent 2-ene. Second carbon atom 1-ene is there and first carbon atom aldehyde is there. Pent 2-ene 1-al or enal. Next one CH3, CH2, CHO. 3 carbon atom with aldehyde propanal. Symbol. Next one CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH2, CHO. This is an aldehyde. Then numbering, so longest continuous carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexane. In hexane, in third carbon atom double bond is there and the first carbon atom al is there, aldehydic functional group CHO. Then we get hex 3-ene 1-al or hex 3-enal. Next one CH3C H CH3 CH2 CHO. Then select the longest continuous carbon chain including functional group. This is the functional group first carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in third carbon methyl group is there. So first you should write the substituent. So 3-methyl butanal. There is no double bond is present. So 3-methyl butanal. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom with aldehyde butanal. You should write the first letter is in capital letter. Next one CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Then here first you should numbering, select the longest continuous carbon chain with the functional group. This halogens give second preference, ketones give first preference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get fourth carbon chlorine atom is present. So 4 chloro pentane, 5 carbon atom pentane 2, 1. In the second carbon atom ketone is present. So 4 chloro pentane 2, 1. Next one, this is benzaldehyde. Then in the fourth carbon, this is the first carbon, aldehyde attaching carbon is the first one, second, third, fourth. In the fourth carbon, the methyl group is present. So 4-methyl benzaldehyde. 4-methyl benzaldehyde. Next one, CH3C, CH3 double bond CH, C double bond O, CH3. Here first select the longest continuous carbon chain including the functional group. This functional group getting the least number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the fourth carbon atom on methyl group is there. So 4-methyl pent 3-ene 2, 1. Next one CH3, CH double bond CCH3, CHO. That is select the longest continuous carbon chain including functional group. This is the functional group 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the second carbon atom on methyl group is present. So 2-methyl but, 4 carbon atom but 2-ene. In the second carbon atom double bond is present. 2-ene 1-al or but 2-enal. Next one CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CHO. Then select the longest continuous carbon including functional group. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is pentene. Pent 2-ene 1-al or pent 2-enal. Next one CH3, CHOH, CH2, COH. Then here the COH functional group is there and the OH hydroxyl functional group is there. Then here preference given to COH functional group, this getting the least number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then is taken as a substituent. Then 3-hydroxy, 4 carbon atom with oic acid, butanoic acid. 3-hydroxy butanoic acid. The next one CH3C triple bond C, CH2COH. Select the longest continuous carbon chain including functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is pent 3YNE triple bond, 3YNE 1 oic acid. Pent 3YNE, YNE means triple bond, YNE 1 oic acid. The next one benzene, this is benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid, common name is phthalic acid. Benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. So these are the important board exam questions asked from the nomenclature area.